Welcome to our tutorial on participating in the Parasail Airdrop event. In this video, we'll introduce you to Parasail and guide you through the initial steps to get started. So let me give an overview of what this project is all about. Parasail Network is a blockchain-based platform designed to revolutionize the way users engage with decentralized finance. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, Parasail offers access to a variety of financial services, like lending and borrowing. Parasail has launched Season 0 of Airdrop campaign. The campaign will run until April 9th. So let's join the event before it ends. First of all, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. Now sign the request by clicking Confirm. Once the wallet is connected, we need to run Node, which you need to activate every 24 hours to earn session points. Click on Activate My Personal Node. Okay, now it's activated. Now complete the social tasks by connecting your Twitter, Discord, and Telegram, and engage with their social tasks to earn some extra points. That's all you have to do. You can check your points here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple, right? Just connect your wallet, activate your node, complete some social tasks, and boom, you're earning points. Now, don't forget, you gotta activate your node every 24 hours to keep earning. So make it a habit. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, maybe drop a like, subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.